everyone. Welcome to URAV Advanced Learning Systems Private Limited. I am UDAYSHANKAR, Chief Technology Officer.
I am NIKETHA, Chief Finance Officer.
We started this company with the objective of STEAM learning for all. That is science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. Learning which is useful for our daily life.
First, we have the board. A board is like a mini computer in which the program is stored and tells the other parts how they should do their jobs. So this is an Arduino Nano board. So first we have to put this board on this dotted board which has been soldered to put the other parts. And we put this here. This is the enclosure in which we put all the devices. It will be like this when it's done. So we put the board like this here. Then the power switch. That gives a power from the battery to the board. That we put the switch. Actually this should be off, but this one is different. Then there's a battery. Well, I don't need to explain what a battery is. We put the wires and all here like this. Now next we have a push button. That is like a switch, but it is like a momentary switch. For example, this is off now and this gets on, but when we leave it, it's off again. So we have to put this here. So the switch goes on D4 and D3. The power switch goes on VIN. And there is a black wire that is directly from the battery goes to ground, that is GND on the board. Next comes the OLED and the IR sensor. These two are the most important parts after the battery and the switch. This OLED shows the temperature. It is an I2C OLED. We put the orange wire in A4. Next is a yellow wire which goes in A5. The violet pin of the IR temperature reader. This is a reader which measures the temperature in the body and sends it to the board, and then the board sends it to the OLED. The OLED and the IR temperature reader are both I2C. Violet is ground, so we put it here. Next, OLED power. So green goes to 3V3, that is 3.3 volt, and the dark blue pin goes to D13, that we have programmed it to be ground. Now we put this cover right here.
It's very easy. All you have to do is look at the schematics.
Done. .73.